And this is it before. The wires are coming out the back, but they're ripped, so I don't know where that went. Figure that out later, maybe. It's got a different engine on it. Gonna put a new cover on here, take this top bracket off, clean up this wiring. I fixed the back brakes and how it works. Working on straightening the chain out. My garage is a little bit of a mess. I'm gonna clean up this engine with some simple green once I take that bracket off, and chain I sprayed down with PD Blaster, and try to get this wheel going where it wasn't biting it up anymore. I think I somewhat got it. It's not really binding it up too terribly now, but yep, gotta do an oil change, gotta fix the seat. Straight piped. Garage is somewhat of a mess. It's a fix-all garage, work on appliances, all kinds of stuff. So, yep, got a little bit to do with this. They put the kill switch like right here, which is kind of a odd spot, but especially since none of this seems to be really working here, or like right here. Could have found like some way to screw that kill switch into here to flip it on and off. I don't know. I'm gonna buy the new twist throttle because right now it's got like an ATV thumb throttle on it. So